Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to replace the bulb in the gear selector on the automatic transmissions. It's going to apply from 2013 all the way to 2017. Let's get to it. Okay, so what we need to do in order to get access to this bulb is we have to take this center console area apart. So what we're going to start with is we're going to pull the trims off, so this one right here and this one right here, which will then expose the screws and stuff that hold all this stuff in place. So we're going to get our pry tool, and you're going to see if we can. I think it's easier on the driver's side since the handbrake is up. I mean, it has a hole in it. Okay. Just keep pulling up, just be careful. And there we go. Probably gonna need to clean that off camera. The passenger side's a little bit more difficult because you don't have that wedge, but once you get that wedge, you'll pretty much be good to go. You want to use a pry tool that doesn't mar up the surface. This one's being a bit difficult. Looks like my tool is breaking. Alright, got ourselves a gap. Alright, now we got that out of the way. We need to get to these Phillips head screws. There's one in here and one right there. Okay, now we should be able to pull this up really easily. There's nothing attached to it. Okay, now I believe we were going to go ahead and just need to pull up on it. This separates too. It's going to be a struggle. My pry tool can pop it open somehow. Pretty sure it's very difficult to remove just because of all the stuff that's probably fallen on it. Looks like it had coffee and whatnot. We're just going to keep going all the way to the back to the armrest. Okay. I'm going to open up the armrest here. And we're going to get a pry tool in here. Okay, there we go. Now what we need to do, there's going to be stuff plugged into this. We can unplug it, but I'm going to have to put the shifter, obviously have your hand on the, pull up the handbrake, get our shifter out of here so we can start lifting it outward. Okay, so there's going to be a connector right here for the USB port. And there should be one for the lighter. So that's this one right here. This is for the USB port and this is for the cigarette lighter. Just so you know what the connections look like, you can't mix them up. So the black one is for the cigarette lighter, and that's for the USB port. Set it off to the side. Okay, so the bulb itself is right here. So we're going to twist it counterclockwise. You can get your fingers in there. Otherwise, you can use needle nose pliers to gently remove it. Alright, I'm gonna go get some pliers. Okay, so I have some needle nose pliers. Just don't squeeze too hard, and then give it a little turn. Okay. Now you can see this is the little bulb that we were chasing and did all that work for. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. It's really small. And then I'm going to open up. I got LED bulbs since they will generally last longer. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the light so that we can see if it works. Alright, well, it doesn't fit, but I'll have to go get a replacement bulb later, but I'll just show you how to put the new one in, or the old one, for reference, so at least you know how to do it. So once you have it in there, looks like I have a light, somehow. It's the wiring or something must be messed up in it. Alright, so once it's ready to go, you're just going to insert it back into that hole. It's going to be really hard to see, but let me see if I can show you. The hole is right there. So you may or may not be able to see it, but it's right there. So let's go ahead and insert it. This is going to be the fun part. It might be easier just to take the shifter out itself. Okay. Then we're going to turn it clockwise. Okay, now that it's in place, I'm going to start putting back the center console. All right, so now we're going to reconnect those cables here to the it's just easier to do it this way, it looks like. Okay, then now we're just going to navigate around the shifter, put these in, match it up with the center. Then we'll go up to the back. Okay, so that's there. That's done. Now we're going to put the little divider back in here. I think that... there's two little tabs that go into these two little holes. Make sure you line that up in there too. Okay, now we're going to put in the storage cubby. Now we'll go and put in the Phillips head screws. Okay, then we'll put the little trim pieces that were hanging on the sides. So we're going to put it in from this way. And that's it. We're done. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we just showed you how to replace the bulb in the gear selector. Again, this is going to apply from 2013 all the way to 2017. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.